Hello everyone, hello Etapol Excellent students. How are you today? I hope you are fine and doing well. This class is designed for the 5th grade students of primary school. Are you ready to start? So, open your People's Book, page 52 and 53, Unit 5, Material Things. Today's session is about the project and science. So today we are going to cover recycling plastic. Okay? Recycling plastic. Let's start with the fact. It takes 450 years for plastic bottles to decompose if they are put under the ground. Did you see? 450 years for plastic bottles to decompose. Okay? It's more. So let's start with exercise number 1. Read and do. Choose a heading for each paragraph. What do we use plastic for? Why do we need oil? What are some of the different plastics? What happens to plastic when we throw it away? B. Now answer the questions. Okay? We need to choose the heading for each paragraph. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 paragraphs. And here we have 4 headings. We need to choose the best heading for each paragraph. Okay? So let's start by reading each paragraph. Okay? Number 1, every day we throw a lot of plastic into our bins. This is a problem because plastic does not change. This means that it uses a lot of space if we don't reuse it or recycle it. Did you know that half of the rubbish on our beaches is made of plastic? Number 2, making plastic also uses a lot of oil. We need to use oil for 2 things. First, we use it as the basic material for plastic. And second, we use oil for energy to make the plastic. Because of this, it is important to try to recycle different plastics. What do you recycle? Number 3, celluloid was one of the first plastics. It is made from cotton, the material which jeans are made of. And 2 other materials. People use celluloid to make films. Another important plastic is nylon, which people use in lots of different kinds of clothes. The word nylon comes from the names of 2 cities, New York and London. Today, the plastic which we use most is called polyethylene. We use it for bottles and boxes. Number 4, we use plastic for almost everything. Think about what is around you and what you use every day. How many plastic things can you think of? Okay? After you read the paragraphs twice, then let's answer exercise number 1. We choose heading for each paragraph. Okay? What is number 1? Which heading? What we use plastic for? Why do we need oil? What are some of the different plastics? What happens to plastic when we throw it away? Let's see. Which one? Number 1? Let's see. Okay, here. Yes. What? Yes, what happened to plastic when we threw it away? It's number 1. Yes? No, it's not this one. No. Okay, let's correct here. Okay? What happens to plastic when we throw it away? Which number? Yes, it's number 1. Excellent. Number 2? Which one? Is it what do we use plastic for? No. Why do we need oil? It's number 2. Number 3? What do we use plastic for? No. It's incorrect. It's what are some of the different plastic. Paragraph number 3, it's talking about different plastics. Okay? And the last one is what do we use plastic for? It's paragraph number 4. Okay? Check your answers, please. Okay, you have finished. Let's move to the next exercise. Exercise number 2. Read again and choose a title. You need to read the paragraphs again and choose a title for the 4th paragraphs. For the 4 paragraphs, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to choose a title. So, these paragraphs are talking about different plastics, recycling plastic, or about plastic. What do you see? Which one? Recycling plastic. No. Yes, again? Yeah, excellent. It's about plastic. Talking about plastic. It's C. Okay? Check your answers, please. Excellent. So let's move to exercise number 3. Listen and label the diagram. You will to listen to the audio and then you are going to label the diagram. Okay? Let's listen.
Pupils Book, page 52. 3. Listen and label the diagram.
Today we have with us Dr. Simon Carter, who is going to talk to us about how we use plastic in Britain.
Hi, that's right. Today we use plastic for almost everything. I'm going to tell you what we use it for and how much we use.
Right. Well, I see you've got a diagram here to help us understand the numbers.
Yes. Now, can you see this circle has different parts? Look at the biggest part, which is pink. That's 1/3 of all the plastic we use. This part is for packaging. Packaging means all the bottles and boxes we get when we buy things from the shops and supermarkets.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, it is. Now look at the second biggest part.
Is that the green one?
Yes. That is for all the plastic we use in building. In our houses, plastics are very important in windows, doors and the water system.
I see. What are the 3 that are the same size?
The white one is for use in transport. You know, cars, planes and motorbikes. The red one is for things around the house and furniture. And the yellow one is for electrics.
Okay. What about the last 2?
The brown part is for farming. And the blue one next to it is for a lot of other different things. These include toys, shoes, mechanics and hospitals.
Well, Dr. Carter, we really do use plastics for almost everything, don't we?
Yes, we do.
So, excellent. So,
Pupils Book.
after you listen to the audio, so you need to answer this exercise, label each part of this circle. Okay? You have green, white, red, yellow, and other colors, blue and brown, okay? And we have here words, okay? Go and do the exercise. Pause the video, do the exercise, and then come and correct your exercise. Okay? So let's correct. So the green is for what? Yes, it's for building. Excellent. The next one, it's for what? Yes, transport. Next, electrics, yes. Next, house. And the next one, farming, yes, it's farming. And the next one, it's other thing, okay? So check your answers, please, to this exercise. We have bottles and boxes, we have building, transport, house, electrics, farming, and other things. Okay, other things we use plastic in. Okay. All right. So now take page 53. Yes, exercise 4. Read and match. We need to read these and match with the following letters. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is recycling plastic. How we recycle plastic in factories. The process, okay? You need to match each picture with the right letter or the right number, okay? Pause the video, do the exercise, and come and check, okay, your correction. Let's start. First, a special machine sorts the bottles so that all the bottles made from the same materials are together. Which one is this? It's A. Excellent. 2. Then another machine squashes the bottles. Another machine squashes the bottles. Which one? It's F. No, it's D. Excellent. Number 3. Next, another machine cuts the bottle into very small pieces. Another machine cuts the bottles into very small pieces. It's C. Yes, here. 4. Then they wash the pieces. They wash them. Which one? Yes, E. Here. They wash the pieces. Number 5. Next, they put the plastic into bags ready for recycling. Yes, they put them into bags. Here we have B. Green bags. Number 6. Finally, they melt the plastic and use it to make lots of new things. Sometimes they use it to make new plastic bottles. Yes, they make new plastic bottles even. Okay? It's F. So check your answers, please, to this exercise. Alright, so let's move to the project. Okay? Yes, this is the most important part. Make a photo frame. You know a photo frame, okay? So let's talk about what we need. What we will need to make a photo frame. You need an empty CD box you can reuse. 2. A photo, your own photo or your father, your sister, whatever you want. Scissors and glue or tape. Okay? The last thing, things to decorate the frame. Okay, some stickers to decorate your own frame, because we want the frame to look beautiful, okay, from the sides, okay? This is what you will need, okay? Now let's move to the process, how to make the photo frame, okay? Pay attention here. Open your CD box and take out the paper and the plastic piece where the CD goes. This is the first step. Next, take the cover off the CD box and turn the base on its end. Then put the cover on the back of the base. The box will now stand up on its own. Okay? This is a tip. Number 2, cut the photo to the right size of the frame or of the CD box. Okay? Number 3, decorate the front of your frame by gluing different objects onto it. You can use stamps, old toys, flowers, stickers, or anything you want. Okay? Number 4, or the last step, put your photo inside the frame. Okay? Then you take your own photo or the photo that you have decorated and you put it inside the frame, and here it is. You have a beautiful photo frame, okay, with an easy step. Okay? So I will see your projects in the class. Okay? Every one of you should prepare his or her own project and bring it to the class. Okay? Don't forget that. So now our lesson has finished. So take your activity book, page 52. Okay? You have a homework. Okay? you have 3 exercises. Exercise number 1, look at the recycling facts, read and write true or false. You need to read these facts. You have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you are going to answer the 6 questions with true or false. This is easy. Number 2, what should we do? Put the information in the table. We have a table and we have 2 charts. Things we should do and things we shouldn't do. Okay? You need to take the sentences and put them into the chart. For example, things we shouldn't do. Throw plastic toys away. No. We shouldn't throw plastic toys away. We should collect them and reuse them. Okay? This is an easy exercise too. Number 3, this is writing. Write about what plastic things you use in your school and the changes you are going to make. Of course, in our school, we use a lot of plastic to make a lot of beans. We prepare projects of the class. We use plastic, paper, sometimes glass, okay, sometimes rubber. Yes. So you need to tell me, maybe you are going to write just 4 until 5 sentences, okay, from 4 to 6, okay, from 4 to 6 sentences, okay, in this exercise. So our class is finished here. So thank you so much for your attention. I would like to thank you all. So one thing I want to remind you is to prepare your projects and to do your homework. We will collect the homework in the class together, okay? So goodbye and thank you so much. See you soon.